So what's up everybody, in today's video we are going to learn how I personally use the duotone effect in Photoshop. How you can just make the color change without really making two color variation. Okay, we're going to make this image turn from this to this. Okay, this is duotone design. Duotone design requires two different colors to be able to make it nice, but in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can actually use just one color without making two designs. Okay, and without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into it. Okay, the first thing you do is to actually import your model, and while your model is here, just come to the channel and click on this icon. And once you click on this icon, it's going to select all the dark pixels of your design. Okay, this is going to create a selection around your image, and just click on Ctrl C. Okay, then come back to the layer panel and click on a new layer. Just click on Ctrl V to paste this layer, and once you're here, you can actually hide this initial layer, and you can see all the dark pixels of your image are now pasted on this layer. Okay, so this is where the magic begins. So you come here and create a new solid layer, a solid color, and you can pick any color of your choice. For this one, I'm going to use purple, and just click OK. Now I'm going to drag it below the layer that we've created that has it, and voila, you're done. So now you can now click on this solid layer, solid fill, and you cannot change the color to whichever color you want. Okay, just as every other duotone design, not all color will work perfectly, so I'll just have to choose color that will work well for your image. Okay, blue here is working well, purple here is working well. I think I prefer this blue even. So that is how we'll be able to transform this image from this to this. Okay, from this to this. So that brings us to the end of the video. Hope you find it helpful. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. And today is day 64 of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.